During the host network configuration and SSH key definition of your SCC appliance, it is important you don't reverse your LAN interfaces and Linux bridge port mappings. Double check your work. It will save you less aggravation down the road. Remember, Bridge 0 LAN 0 is for outbound traffic to the internet, and Bridge 1 is reserved for your SCC private network. Choose option 2, set up host network and SSH keys. Follow the instructions and select a corresponding interface for both Bridge 0 and Bridge 1. Please note that your NIC enumeration and name may vary. For your Bridge 0 configuration, you are given the flexibility to either choose DHCP or static. Remember, if you choose DHCP, you must have a DHCP server offer your SCC appliance an IP address. It is recommended to set the lease time to an extended period of time. If you configure static, you will also need to provide your SCC appliance an IP address, sitter for the IP address, default gateway, and domain name server IP address. Continue to reserve an IP address definition for your SCC NAT server as well. Once you're satisfied your configuration is correct, you may enter Y for yes. Once you do so, you will proceed with a net plan execution. When you answer Y, the automated process will perform the following steps. Create a net plan config, save the NAT config, apply net plan config. It's possible you'll lose SSH connectivity. Create the VXLAN service, start the VXLAN service, generate SSH keys if no other keys exist. At this point, you may want to open another terminal window and check your network connectivity before you proceed to the next step. If no network connectivity exists, troubleshoot first before moving to the next phase of your configuration. If you're satisfied you check for the network reachability, you can proceed to the next configuration step of SCC VM guest creation.